it's Laura at Vegan RV, and this empty space over here where Kevin would normally be is just going to have to be empty because he's out of town. But I want to keep getting these videos out to you, so otherwise we end up so far behind and then things get messy. So in this video, we sadly have to leave Paul and Lorena as they go back south, and we head north with Tom and Faye. And we did something a little different. We've been staying along the coast and parking on the beach, but right outside of Mulegé, we stayed on a citrus orchard. So check this out. It's a really cool place and we really enjoyed it. Hope you do too. So our current campground is also an orchard. So we're out picking fruit. I don't know if you can see them back here. Let's see if I can. I'll zoom in later, but there's a bunch of sunflowers. Somewhere. Yep, oranges and RVs. So this place is allowed to call itself a resort since it has an actual pool.
But it also has
swim up bar. But it's it's not open though.
Well, you should go squeeze some orange juice and make it open.
Oh yeah, and there's Faye.
Our resident juice squeezer.
Making juice. Wasn't Hacienda La Habana a really cool place to hang out? And you know, you could get all your citrus. Of course, we didn't gather too much because we were going to cross the border not too long from then. So, but the pool was lovely and it was just a great place to hang out. And it was in short driving distance of awesome beaches and the town of Mulegé. So after this, we went back to the beach that we saw when we were driving south. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up that video right here.
That's what I'm talking about. That right there. That is where we need to be camping, dog.
We said we need to go stay back there, so we did. This is Santispac, and you just basically pull your nose right up to the beach and it's beautiful. And let me just show you and you'll see. Again, here we are. There's Tom and Faye. And this is Playa Santispac. Sun just came out. The water looks amazing. Look at that. There they go.
Never to be seen again.
So we're in search of a hot spring that's supposed to be over here. We kind of think it might be in this, I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, back there there's a green patch of trees, so we're gonna go check that out. Headed to that. So it looks like this is part of the hot spring that they've dammed up over here. It's warm, but it's not crazy hot, so it also doesn't look particularly clean. So we keep looking. So here we are over there. This place is okay. Here's Kevin. Kind of looks like salt, but I'm not going to taste it to figure it out. So we did find some hot springs. Not amazing. So no chance we were getting in those. But what about that sunrise? That's probably going to be the most spectacular picture I've ever taken of our RV. Oh my God, it was so beautiful, and the colors, and the snow probably not even translating. So I hope you enjoyed visiting Mulegé and Santispac, and if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and hit the notification bell, and you'll get a notification whenever we put out a new video, since we don't keep to any regular schedule. Actually, does that bother you that we don't have set days that we publish? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I don't know if that's really an issue, because, you know, it shows up in your subscriptions whenever it comes out, but I know some people like regularity, so I'd love to hear, you know, what works better for you. Information about everything that we see and do, we put in the information box below. Might not be below if you're on a TV, but you can always go back and find this on YouTube, and all the information will be there when you need it. So until next time, see ya!